Hi guys, welcome back to Ethereal Orb. I am Megan. I have kind of a funny story today. A while back, quite a while ago, probably embarrassed to tell you how long ago, I was looking through all of my hair products for anything with dimethicone, and I found this. This is Matrix Biolage Smooth Proof, and the second ingredient is dimethicone. And so before I used this room in my house for an art room, I kept all my art supplies in cabinets in the laundry room. And I took this out of my bathroom, out of my medicine cabinet, and put it in the laundry room. And then went back to get it to try, and it had disappeared, like art supplies sometimes do, into the abyss. Well, about a week ago, our dryer, our washer, something happened to it. It wasn't working, and my husband moved it. Turned out just a belt fell off, so no big deal there, thank goodness. But anyway, when he moved the washer, there was my Biolage. So it hadn't disappeared into a black hole of art supplies. It disappeared under my washer, and that's how long it's been since I've moved my washer out to clean under it. So I'm going to give it a try today. I've never used dimethicone or hair products or anything like that, so I'm excited to give it a try. I have some metallic white mixed with just a tiny little bit of Payne's Gray to make this pretty silvery color. I have Payne's Gray that has just a teensy tiny bit of white in it, just to make it, just to take the total darkness off. It kind of tones it down just a hair bit. And I have Quinacridone Magenta, I think is what this is. Yes, from Liquitex Basics. And then I have plenty of titanium white. And the white just is mixed with water and Basics Matte Fluid Medium. And my three colors have 3 drops of the Matrix Biolage hair oil. So, like I said, I've never used dimethicone. I've obviously never used this, so I'm not sure what to expect. We'll see. And hopefully it'll be something pretty. I really like these colors, so I'm hoping it'll be something nifty. So I think I'm going to do a flip cup. That's my plug-in stand. Oh, hang on a second here. Okay, sorry about that. I'm going to do a flip cup. I'm going to flood the canvas with white first. I'm hoping for some negative space with this one. Ugh, sorry, I am shaking this table all over. I must have moved my chair over, and I'm closer to where the leg is. Okay, so let's start with the flip cup. Like I said, my white does not have any silicone in it. This white, this was Master's Touch, and it was really thick. I was surprised by how thick it was. Probably the thickest paint I've ever used to pour. I would not have gotten it had I known it was that thick, because I had to mix it a lot. I mixed a lot of the Basics Fluid Matte Medium in it, and quite a bit of water. You don't want to use too much water, so I was careful about that. Oop, I dropped some magenta because I was looking in my cup to see what it was doing. Woo! And I did stir it in. I'm not careful about how I stir in my silicone or dimethicone, so I didn't. Some people swear by the minimal stirring. Let's see how much we have here. Got my handy dandy scale real quick. These cups weigh 0.3 of an ounce. Maybe not. I need batteries. Okay, we are not going to weigh it. That's okay. I definitely want more color in there than that, though, so put a little more pink. And a little more of this. I can always add more later in a ribbon or something if it needs it. Let's just go crazy. Okay. That is probably good. Move my cups out of the way. Oh, these thick canvases are heavy. Okay, flip. Oof, okay. Ooh. All my white looks like it's all over here. It may not be, but from the outside of the cup, that's what it looks like. Which is kind of funny. Okay, we're gonna flood the canvas with some white paint here. And hopefully end up with some negative space. We shall see. Corners and edges, boop. Yeah, this one I think I was a little less patient with. It seems a bit thicker than the other batch. Like I said, it was really thick. I may set that batch of white aside for just painting. Not necessarily pouring. Alright. I know, this is so exciting to watch. Necessary step, though. Okay. Woo! Some pink there already. I love this magenta. Okay, a little bit more right here. And then I guess it'll flow, so it's not a big deal. Okay. Set that aside, and here we go. Where the magic happens. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Let's torch. Where's my torch? Oh, definitely getting some big cells there with that dimethicone. Woohoo! Yay for the Biolage. That pink showing up. Let's tilt. Where's my cardboard? Am I gonna have to pause to find my cardboard? I just moved some things. That's what happens. Okay, I'm gonna pause. My goodness, look how pretty that is. Okay, so I've got my cardboard here. If I can do this sort of one-handed. It's super heavy. I have plenty of paint. I really don't need to do this. Ah! I'm not going to go all the way to that corner. I'll leave a little white. There. And I think I might leave that corner. I think I might leave it at that. So I want to leave some of this really bright pink there. I think I may just leave it. Oh, hate to walk away so soon. But I don't think it needs anything. I wouldn't mind a little silver running through there. Should I add a little of the silver? Ooh, look at my hands. Even my hands are pretty. Okay, just leave it. Tempted to add a little bit just because I don't see any. Let's tilt this way a little bit. You know, I'm fiddling. You know what? I'm going to leave it and walk away because you know what? It's actually pretty cool. So I'm going to say the Biolage, focus. The Biolage Smooth Proof Serum was a success. So let me wipe off my hands and we'll do some close-ups. Hey guys, happy pouring. We will see you next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell if you want to be notified when I post new videos. And we will see you next time.